In this video I'm going to show you how to fix overheating issues on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. And in that video I got 5 tips for you if your iPhone is too hot. First, you need to turn off auto brightness. For that, open up Settings here, tap on Accessibility, and there tap on Display and Text Size. And there at the very bottom, turn off after brightness option. That is the most popular reason of overheating your iPhone, and also turning off after brightness may affect battery life and long-term display performance. The second step to fix overheating issues is going back here in settings, then select display and brightness, and here reduce the value of brightness. Just drag it to the left or drag it to the right until you get optimal brightness level. I'll select that one, and then let's go ahead to the next tip. It's located right here on that screen. It's auto lock. Select that, auto lock of your display. Now it's set 3 minutes on my device. You can reduce it up to 30 seconds to reduce heating your iPhone. I'll switch back to 3 minutes because it's comfortable for me to make that videos. Next you're gonna do, go back again. Here tap on Accessibility, there select Motion, and here toggle on Reduce Motion feature. That action can also help you. And then go back to Settings, here select General, and here select Background App Refresh. There we can adjust background refresh. I can tap on that option and toggle it off, so my apps wouldn't be able to refresh in background. Or I can leave Wi-Fi, go back, and here select the specific apps, the most important apps for me, that I want to be refreshed in background. So that's it. There was 5 tips to fix overheating issues on your iPhone. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.